my channel, Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make AKASAN, also known as cornmeal porridge. But before we get started, I want to thank everybody who signed to my channel and watch my videos. And let's get started. Here are today's ingredients. 3 cups of water, 2 cinnamon sticks, 6 star anise, 1 piece of lime skin, 1 cup of flour, also known as AKASAN, 1 cup of sugar, is optional, 1 can evaporated milk, 1 cup regular milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon vanilla, and 1 tablespoon almond extract. I wash the ingredients and put them in the water. After 10 minutes has passed, the water is boiling. I'm now adding the salt to balance the sugar. I'm adding 2 cups of water to the flour to prevent any lumps. I'm adding the flour to the boiling water. Make sure you keep stirring until it's incorporated to prevent any lumps. Now I'm adding the sugar and mix well. Now I'm adding evaporated milk, nutmeg, butter, almond extract, and vanilla. After you mix everything very well, let it simmer on medium-low heat for 10 minutes and serve it warm. Make sure before you serve, remove the lime skin so the porridge will not be bitter. And voila! This is the final result. Bon appétit! Let's have a taste. C'est coupé douette. Thanks everybody for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below of what Haitian dish I should do next time. Thank you. Bye bye.